America. There it is. All right, we're in the garage. We're doing a little bit of work on the track bike that Joey is going to be. I guess you guys have a little something worked out. So Joey is. What are you doing, Joey?
Cleaning up the radiator. All the smashed fins. Just straightening them out so I don't have to buy a new radiator.
So
that's a smart thing to do.
Work smarter, not harder. Less money on radiator, the more money for go fast parts. So this is a what year is this? A 6?
Oh, 4.
4. This is a 2004 gsxr 600. That is the project bike. Let me come over here. Got some lighting issues. So
Didn't you pull it out earlier, last week?
This may be the one that came out of my phone.
this is the project bike. Give you a little look at it. Part 1. Let me flip this phone around real quick. So as you can see, this is going to be a pretty big kind of rebuild. We're hoping to not tear into the motor.
Hopefully not. Yeah, please.
Rear sets, some crash protection. He's cleaning up the radiator. We're going to do new fork seals, oil, all that. This is a former stunt bike, so it's pretty gnarly. Whoever had it really didn't. We don't know what they were thinking, to be honest with you.
We had a stock one for it?
But we got some work to do with it. Just wanted to share what the bike looks like right now.
That might work.
Got Anthony over here going through the parts boxes.
I'm looking for that master cylinder. I know it's here.
Well, we need it.
I'm looking.
What's the what's the date that we're shooting for?
Before May 21st.
Before May 21st is our. I'm trying to get a handle bar on it.
Trying to get a handle on it.
Yeah, May 21st is the deadline that we're going to try to complete this thing by. Try, that is.
Yeah, 5 weeks, 4 weeks.
All right, so we got quite a bit of work
We
to
have
do.
a lot of work to do. We have a long way to go and a short time
Yep.
to get there.
Exhaust work, tires. Well, basically, hopefully this bike right here will look like this bike right here when we're done. Except it'll have a number 34 on it. So we'll see how it goes, and we will do another little quick video, quick update next week on this bike. I hope we've gotten some more done. Right now we're swimming in parts. You like that? Swimming in parts.
I'm drowning.
Swimming.
I can't swim.
So anyway, we're about to drain the oil, see if it needs clutches, check the tolerance on the valves, all that stuff. So anyway, this is just kind of this is kind of the shop. This is Ricky's place, Ricky Zoom. Ricky Zoom. And Ricky Zoom is not with us right now. He's somewhere out leaning on a shovel.
Being an adult.
But thanks guys for tuning in. All 5,000 of you, or 26 of you. you know, whatever it is. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, because you know we're making those millions on YouTube. Now, thank you guys for watching, and come back next week. We'll have another one for you. All right.
Peace.
Any last words?
See you guys.
Bye. All right, guys. See you.